Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration called Easter Tier Tray. So here's my tier tray all cleaned off, ready to get started. I'm going to start building upon this beautiful tray I got from Annalie. It's got two glass plates on it, and I have it sitting here in front of my beautiful backdrop. I'll pan out just a bit so you can see I have my beautiful curtains, and then I have my flowers up top. Isn't that pretty? So once I get all my goodies on my tier tray, it'll be a beautiful presentation. So here we go. So now I know you're not supposed to put anything on the side because we're doing tiered trays, but I just thought it would be nice to have some items flanking my tiered tray. And what's better than a pot of tea and the sugar and creamer set? So let's see what I put on the tray. So I started off by putting my doily on the bottom. And I have my pink gingham on the top. It's a little too big, but it's okay. I'm gonna tuck the edges, and it will fit in here a little bit better. I wish I had another pretty doily to put in on the top, but that's okay. Kind of want it to give it a little bit of cutesy. I think the pink and white gingham is very pretty. So then, of course, I need to put my cute little desserts, and I want to be able to utilize my little risers so I can put more items in here. So I'm going to put 2 risers so I can put my 2 little cupcakes. Can you see them? And my other one right here. I made these little guys. Super cute, aren't they? So let me pull them back out and just show you. The ears are clay, the whip is spackle, and the jelly beans are faux jelly beans. And I got these cute little cups from Home Goods. So I thought I'd stick them in here. That way I can have some height, and then I can still add more little goodies. So stay tuned. Today's open collaboration is Spring Easter Tier Tray. And we have 3 beautiful ladies putting this on for us. Our hostess is at Penny's Place. And we have 2 co-hostesses. One is the Grace Life DIY and Marlene's How To. And you've got to go check out their page, see what they have to offer. They have great content, and we've got to see what kind of Easter tiered tray all the ladies are putting together. It's going to be an awesome day. Now, let's see what I was able to finish putting together. Alright, so I changed my mind. I didn't like that. So I brought my pink and white gingham to the bottom. And now I'm going to continue building on. I got these cute tulips from Target. They were on the dollar spot. They weren't $1. I can't remember how much they were, maybe $2 or $3, but they were pretty, like a really light blush color. So it goes pretty good. So let's see what else I put together. All right, so I made some changes, as you may or may not have noticed. I have the runner now going in the opposite direction. I'm at the end of the table, but at the edge of the table, because I don't need to use the whole table. And so anyways, I changed the runner. I thought it would look better that way. And I have this big bouquet, I don't know if you call it bouquet, but this big thing of flowers that my mom had picked up, and at first I thought I would like it, but I think it might be too much. It's gonna take away from what I'm trying to accomplish. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I did add these cute little flowers. They're just real dainty, a little pink. So those look nice there. But I do think that this bigger arrangement behind the tier tray is too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording, and I'm going to remove it. Okay, so now it looks really plain because it needs something back there. So I have this little vine that has some purple flowers on it, kind of goes with my runner. So I'm just gonna stick this back here. And it kind of goes with the purple that I have in my teapot. Now I'm going to move this back a little bit because I moved it forward because of that big monstrosity of flowers. And so that's looking pretty good. And so I don't know if you could see, I have a little plate here and I had added a little strand of pearls. So my next step is to add this cute little sign. I don't know if you can see it. I see a glare. But it says Happy Easter, and I made this. It's an easel from the Dollar Tree, and I just decoupaged a napkin on it. There was a couple little boo-boos, but you know, I did the best I could, and I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna stick this little guy right back here. Make sure he's sitting correctly. And then I'm gonna add my little teacup that goes with my saucer there. And I put my cute little bunny in there. She's got her corresponding purple bow to go with all the other purple on my table. And there's a part of this, and this might be the back side. I didn't pay attention, but you know, I think it is, but that's all right. We're just gonna leave it the way it is. I'm not gonna mess with it. But there's something going on in the front here that I don't like. So I'm just simply going to add some more of these tulips down here. These are the yellow, and this kind of hides what my eye keeps seeing that I don't like. So I'm hoping that doesn't look too poorly. I don't know why this camera angle's not picking everything up. All right, so the bottom is looking really cute. I like like I said, I like that pink and white gingham. And then with a little bit of pearl here, it looks pretty nice. But we're missing somebody. We are missing Mr. Rabbit. So let's put him in the scene. And looks like his bow is ready to fall off. Alrighty then. Well, just don't fall off while I'm filming. Okay, so the bottom tray I think looks pretty cute. I don't think that I want to do anything more to the bottom. So now let's start on the top, and I'm gonna add a simple doily up here. Doilies always make it look just a little bit more elevated. And I really like this color of the tiered tray, and I think it goes really well with spring. So we've got our doily, and I want to go ahead and add my treats. So of course I'm going to add some risers, and these risers, wow, the light is really bad. These risers go with the sugar and creamer set. Oh my goodness. And then these little cupcakes that I made. So we're gonna put one on either side. And this gives us our height that we need for building our shelf. So now we really need some more items on that top shelf. So let's see what we can pull together to add some beauty there. So give me a moment. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know if it's beautiful, but it's cute. It's Easter, you know, you gotta have lots of bunnies for Easter. So I just added my cute little bunny here. He's holding his basket of flowers. And that needed a little color down where he was. So got these cute little purple flowers just to get some more color there. And then I just added a couple little Easter eggs to give it a little bit more color contrast on the tray as well. So it's kind of cute. I like how that looks. I did want to incorporate a couple more of my faux foods, but I don't know that it's gonna fit. But let me, no, it's not gonna look right with the items that I wanted to use. And I really like the bottom. That one, I really like how that turned out. The top part, not so much. I feel like I need to do something different. But let me try a different bunny and see what you think of this other one I have. He's really cute. Okay, here's another option. I think this little bunny is so cute. I love the blue, and I put his little background up behind him. And you see the little bunnies on the bottom going, oh my gosh, what are you doing? So I thought that one was cute. But this isn't what's gonna stay. But I really like the blue little guy. So he doesn't really go with what's on the bottom. So I guess I'll go back to just put my faux foods on there because I couldn't find anything else that I liked. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things. I guess I could show you here. I made this little cookie. Isn't this cute? And see, it's got some frosting and sprinkles. I don't know if you can see that well. Seems like the camera's not picking it up very well. But I used those wooden cutouts from the Dollar Tree, and then I just put the little flour here to cover up the hole, and then I put the spackle and the sprinkles, and then I just put a little bit of glitter on him. So cute. It's like a sandwich cookie. So I made one of those, and then I just made a frosted cookie, and just has the frosting, the faux frosting around, and then I decoupage these 2 eggs on, they're from a napkin, and then I just put a little glitter on it. So those are my little cookies, and then I made a couple of little candies, and it's a little rabbit. So this is Mrs. Rabbit with her little green flower, and then Mr. Rabbit with his little green bow. And I made this out of clay. So these are kind of like little, I guess, little candies, you could say. So I'm going to add those to my tray. So I'll return. Okay, now I have my cookies and my candies on there with my cupcakes, and I'm not liking it still. So I think I'm gonna go back to my original plan and just put my bunny on there and call it a day, because I really like that. Alright, so I'm gonna just stop right where I'm at. I do like how this turned out. This is my Easter tiered tray. I know there's a couple things on the sides, but I wanted to bring it all together, and I hope you guys like it. I had a hard time deciding on the top part, but he's still cute, and I like my cupcakes, so I'm just gonna leave it that way, and I could have my cute little vintage look on the bottom and have my goodies on the top, and I'm ready for pot of tea. Thank you for coming by and seeing my Easter tiered tray. If you're not already subscribing, please consider. I have lots of content to be uploading in the near future, and have lots of DIYs that I'm looking forward to sharing with you all. Here's some up-close pictures. Unfortunately, because we've had some problems with using music from iMovie, I'm not able to add any background music at this time. But I did want to just share some up-close pictures, since the video I took originally it was a little far away, and I wanted you to be able to see these beautiful items up close and personal. And I hope you enjoy, and I do apologize for no music at the end of my video here, but I did want to share this beautiful moment with you all. Thank you for stopping by again. And I do appreciate your keep watching just a little bit more support. And I hope that you come back and see more items that I have to offer.
Bye-bye. Have a great and awesome day.